CANTON FAIR exclusive preview for 136th CANTON FAIR. The stage is set in Guangzhou, where the world's largest trade show is about to unfold, and FHONK is ready to take it by storm.
This year, FHONK has been actively participating in various trade shows, showcasing our unwavering commitment to excellence. Now we are bringing cutting-edge carbide tools to the global stage, crafted to meet the highest standards across industries. Whether it's woodworking, metal processing, or lithium battery cutting, our solutions will redefine efficiency and precision.
Our carbide reversible eyes are precision engineered with high precision. These blades are designed to help you achieve peak performance in every cut, delivering unparalleled durability and precision across diverse applications.
CANTON FAIR is not just about showcasing products. It's about innovation, collaboration, and shaping the future of industries. At FHONK, we are proud to lead the way and share our vision with clients from all over the world.
Mark your calendars. We'll be at booth 10.1 K5 to 6, located at China Import and Export Fair Complex in Guangzhou from October 15th to 19th, 2024. Come and discover how FHONK's carbide tools can power your business to new heights. See you there.